Gukinyaniria na riu bururi wa Kenya wandikithitie arwaru 22,597 a murimu wa COVID-19, arwaru 8,740 makihona murimu uyu, guku arwaru 342 nio makuite kumana na murimu uyu. Umuthi andu 544 makionekana na murimu uyu.
499 are Kenyans, while 45 are foreigners. 315 are male, 229 are female. The youngest case is a 1-year-old infant. The oldest is an 84-year-old.
Kaunti ya Nairobi igithie na mbere na gutongoria hari arwaru wa murimu wa COVID-19. Umuthi iri na arwaru 412. Kaunti ya Kiambu iri na arwaru 27. Kaunti ya Kajiado na Machakos cire na arwaru 17 o kaunti. Garissa ikiri na arwaru 16. Uasin Gishu arwaru 18. Kaunti ya Mombasa arwaru 9. Nakuru iri na arwaru 8. Kaunti ya Nyeri na kaunti ya Narok cire na arwaru 5 o kaunti ya Makueni arwaru 3, Laikipia arwaru 2, Murang'a, Kilifi, Busia, Bungoma, Kisii, Kwale na kaunti ya Meru cire na murwaru umwe hari o kaunti.
Langata 150, Westlands 48, Dagoretti 43, Embakasi East 37, Makadara 36, Embakasi South 35, Kasarani 25, Kamkunji 20, Roysambu 20, Embakasi West 18, Embakasi Central 16, Kibra 16, Starehe 16, Embakasi North 9, Mathare 9, Ruaraka 8, and Dagoretti South 6.
Hari iku 13 iria ciumanite na murimu wa COVID-19 umuthi. Umwe ni nathi 10 marari na mirimu makiria ya umwe, gukurita na rigeikio ni mutafariri wa mihang'o ministry ni ugima wa mwiri Rashid Aman kuri aria mari na mirimu ingi guthie na mbere na kwimenyerera kumana na kunyitwo ni murimu uyu.
To take extra precautions during this cold season by ensuring that they put in place certain measures that will ensure that they are not exposed to infections. This includes dressing warmly to avoid any triggers, keeping social distance to avoid respiratory infections, wearing a mask, which is very critical, especially in reducing transmission of infected droplets.
Gukinyaniria na riu andu makiria ma milioni 18 mari na murimu uyu thi yothe. Makiria ma andu 600,000 ni makwite kumana na murimu uyu, guku andu makiria ma milioni 10 makihona murimu uyu wa COVID-19. Girifotera Kameme TV retora koni Wanjiru wa Foro.